Hey guys, this is you are watching Silver. So this is the day three of the lecture series on AutoCAD building plan. So here you can see in the day one and two we had done up to this how to set up the basic units and how to set up an A4 page and do the drawing in it, and also how to make the door and window schedule. So the next thing which you want in a plan is to the furniture blocks. So showing the bed in the bedroom and etc. So if you want to download furniture blocks, you can simply go to Google and suppose you want potted plants. So just type potted plants CAD block and you can open it and you can download it from here. Okay. So like this, you can search in Google and you can just download all these things. So if you want, in comment below, I can also give you the link of all the CAD blocks which I have downloaded. All these I have downloaded from internet, so then you can use it in your plan. So I'll just show you how to use all the particular CAD blocks. So first of all, let's go and fill the bedroom. Let's give a for the furniture layout, you can do a separate layer or keep all them in a same layer here. So I'm going to go ahead and make a layer, but by default all the furniture come in a block, so you don't need to make any separate layer for that. After you put them, then you can make. Okay, so just for the bed, I'll go to here beds plan and downloaded some of the beds here. Okay, so I'll just take this simple bed here, this one, and then copy, and then I'll just paste it here. So while placing, you can see the size of the bed is typically very large. So here you need to use the align command. Okay, so we know that in a plan, if you just see by feet, so a bed width for two persons is around 5 or 5.5 feet. So just draw a line here, 5 feet, or you can just do 5.5, take a big size, 5.5 feet, and this is the line here. So here I'm going to select all of that, okay, and turn it into block first. B enter and name it bed. Okay. Okay, just click on OK and then select it, and then use the AL enter align command. The first corner of this bed to this point, second corner of this bed to the second point. Enter. Yes. So this is aligned, as you can see that. So now just move this, turn off the ortho and move the bed. So you can see the bed is usually, as per the Vastu's rules, a person can face in the east or in the south direction. Okay, so you can place the best bed in the head of the person in the east or the south direction. So we'll do as per that. So we'll do in the east direction here, rotate, turn on the ortho, and just move it. Okay, so this is done, and simply copy this and like this. You can put other furniture as well, but try to keep it as simple as possible, because if you just insert too much, that it might look crowded. Okay, so next let's go for the toilet. Let's insert some toilet here. Okay, let's make this an Indian squat toilet, and then let's make this European style, the attached one. Okay, the two attached, let me European and one Indian. Okay, let's see how it's done. First of all, we'll go here and the CAD blocks. So in this CAD blocks, first of all, we have a squat toilet here, and you have the various types of squat toilets which are available here. This is the typical, Indian style squat toilets, and you can insert it. Okay, so I'll select this and copy, and I'll just paste it here. Okay, so this is already a block, so don't need to make it a block. So the toilet here is around 2.5 feet. So just turn on the ortho, 2.5 feet, enter. So you need to know the standard lengths to make this happen, and AL enter. So this end of the straight line where you have a square and match it with this, and the end of the straight line. and match it with the second point, space, and yes. So this is done, and we'll move it. Turn off the ortho, and we will move it up to here, right? This is the toilet portion, and the remaining portions will insert the European toilets. So for the European toilets, let's see the bathroom, showers, CAD block. I hope, okay, this is the bathroom showers only. Okay, let me see if there are other toilet CAD blocks. Direction. Okay, I'll just see later. Let's have the office furniture. The remaining things I'll just take from another plan. Let's take this sofa, the car. These are already, you're aligned because I had used them in another plan. I'll just press Ctrl plus C and I'll bring them here since you already know the procedure of aligning them. So you don't need to do each and everything. Okay. And here, what we'll do, we'll use this toilet portion, move it, and this toilet will go here. I'll just rotate this properly using ortho and move it. Let's move it to this side. Okay, and let's move the text a little bit up. Okay, and here also you can do one thing. Okay, this is okay. This is good. And these toilet is length we have to assign align again. So this will be a maximum of 3 to 3.5 feet. Let's do 3 feet. Enter and select AL. Enter. Again the first point here. First point here. Second point. Make sure you just do the straight line point. And yes. Okay. A little bit this side. Okay. And then this toilet, copy and move it to here. And the text can be adjusted like this. So this denotes the toilet, this denotes the kitchen, and you can have your car here parked. I can rotate it and park it like this. You don't want to just do a lot of things while taking the car out. So this will be here like this. And just move it to one side, right? So this is the car parking denoted. And in the drawing room, you can have a sofa set. Okay. And can have other things as well. Okay. So let's go for some other things. Have this dining table and kitchen appliances, the sink and this. We just copy this here and we'll copy this and we'll bring it Ctrl plus C and bring it in this drawing here. This dining table, we'll just bring this here. It will be this in front of this portion, the dining portion, and the kitchen sinks and all. What we'll do, we'll just take it out. Let's do it here, EX, and select explode, and then we'll take this out. This portion, only this portion, and this portion, the sink, We'll move both of them out, and I don't need this now. Make this a block. Just give it any name and make this a block. Now move it. And let's keep the rotate this by turning on ortho. And move this here. And this is the sink. So the kitchen cooking counter and the sink, this has been made. I can change the color also. Just double click on this and OK. And then we'll change the color here. That's not seems to be much visible. So I'll just make it default by layer. So this default black color is a lot better here. I'll double click. Okay. Select this, go to home, 0, and by layer, close, save. This is much better. Now kitchen appliances is ready. You can, if you want, you can also put a sofa, same sofa or different sofa. You can download different sofa CAD block and put it here in the this living room. Okay, like this. So try to keep this as light and this less hodgepodge as possible. So minimum amount just to denote the what are the utilities of all the things. So like this you can do, and you have fulfilled all the requirements here. So if you want to put some flower garden type kind of thing, so you can also do that. So for that we'll go to let's go to some of the CAD blocks of flower potted plants you can download. And here we'll just take a couple of varieties, couple or three varieties, and press Ctrl plus C. And then the drawing, just paste it. You can see the side again, right? So this plans we need to scale down. SC enter, scale down the sizes a little bit more. SC enter, take the central size and do it like this and move. The ortho is turned off. So we need to scale a little bit further. SC enter, take the central point of this, and let's 2.5. Okay. And again, SC enter again. I'll just select this. I'll do 0.8. That's good. And I'll just move it. And in here, it denotes the garden in the front. Also, maybe scale it down a little bit, 0.8 again. That's better. So this denotes the garden, flower garden in front, and these things. And another thing you can do is you can provide the hatch. Sorry, this needs to be trimmed a little bit, right? Draw the hatch, right? So just to do HA enter, and then you can select a particular region. And if that region is not is closed region, then you can just provide the hash. So we'll select a color for let's near about fly ash brick color. Select this, and we'll just do the hatch, right? Like this, selecting every particular closed boundary. You can provide the hatch too. So first, just to do wherever it shows, okay? That way it is easier for you. So the hatching has been done here. See, all the walls have been hatched. And this plan is ready. Now, in the fixed plan, the columns are also shown most often. So next step is the column positioning. So we'll discuss the column positioning in the next lecture. A little bit details the column positioning. The main, it is a structural aspect, but the basic details we'll discuss, and we'll complete this plan. After that, we'll also go for the elevation as well as the sections of it, and also create a second floor plan, and then we'll go for the elevation and section. So that's all for today. If you have come this far, make sure like the video, helps the YouTube algorithm, and also subscribe to our channel. Okay, bye bye.